In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an item as out of stock in Shopify. Whether you're managing inventory for a small business or a larger enterprise, knowing how to accurately reflect your stock levels is crucial. This ensures you don't oversell products and helps manage customer expectations effectively. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, the first screen that you'll see is the Shopify homepage. From here, move over to the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all your products are listed and organized, ready to be managed. It's a central hub for your inventory management, offering a clear overview of what's available and what might require restocking. Now that you're in the Now Products section, go ahead and find the item you wish to mark as out of stock. For illustration, let's use a product called Example Shirt 2. Click on the product's name to open up the detailed view of this particular product. This is where you can make adjustments to its descriptions, pricing, inventory, and more. It's handy to get familiar with this page since it's where most of the significant inventory adjustments are made. Once you have the product page open, locate the inventory section. Here you will typically see a field labeled Available. This is the number that reflects how much of this product is available for purchase on your store. To mark this item as out of stock, simply change this number to 0. This adjustment ensures that potential customers won't be able to purchase this item until you restock it. It's a straightforward solution to managing your stock status accurately. After setting the available field to 0, you'll need to also check the on-hand count. This detail reflects the actual amount of stock physically present in your inventory, which can sometimes differ from what is listed as available. For consistency, and to indicate that there's no more supply of this product, you should change this number to 0 as well. By making these adjustments, Shopify now reflects your product as out of stock. It's important to save your changes before moving away from this page to ensure the updates are recorded. Managing your inventory in such a manner can significantly enhance customer satisfaction by providing accurate product availability and avoiding potential discrepancies in product orders. And there you have it. A simple, reliable method for keeping your Shopify inventory up to date and easily marking items as out of stock. Remember that inventory management is an ongoing task, requiring regular checks and updates. This ensures your store runs smoothly and effectively serves your customers. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and happy selling on Shopify!